Good evening, students. Today, our topic is sum of zeros and product of zeros. Formula of sum of zeros is minus b upon a, and product of 0 is equals to c upon a. But this formula we will prove how it comes. First of all, standard equation of quadratic is x square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a is not equals to 0. Now you know that what is 0, and suppose alpha and beta are two zeros. You know that quadratic polynomial has two zeros because its maximum power is 2. Now you know that in x square plus bx plus c, in this condition a is not equals to 0. So in this case, here two zeros are here. So suppose that a into 1 0 is alpha, means that x minus alpha, this is a 1 0, and another 0 is beta, so you can write it x minus beta. Now multiplication of this term, x into x is x square, x into beta is minus x beta. Now term of this minus alpha into x is minus x alpha, and last term is minus alpha minus beta is plus alpha into beta. Now see this second and third term, common term is minus x, so remaining term is alpha plus beta plus alpha into beta. Now multiplication of a with this term, x square minus ax into alpha plus beta plus alpha beta. Now compare this whole equation with this. So b is minus a into alpha plus beta, a is equals to a, and c is equals to alpha beta into a. Now you know that sum of zeros is minus b over a. Sum of 0 is equals to minus b upon a. Here b is negative a into alpha plus beta upon a. Okay, so a will get cancelled, negative positive, so answer of this term is alpha plus beta. This is proof that sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equals to negative b upon a. Same as product of zeros, same as product of zeros is equals to c upon a. Prove how? So value of c is alpha beta into a, and a is also a, you know that a cut, so answer of this term is POZ, means that product of 0 is alpha beta is equals to c upon a. Now based on this we discuss exercise Now we discuss exercise 2.2. Question number 1 is find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomial and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Question number 1 is x square minus 2x minus 8. Students, we have to verify first of all with normal factorization method, that is, you know that how to factorize this quadratic equation. So coefficient of x square is equals to 1 and coefficient of last term is equals to minus 8. So multiply this term, minus 8 into 1 is minus 8. Factorization of this term is 4 into 2, sorry, minus 4 into 2. Here greater sign is negative, so minus 4 and 2 is the factor. X square minus 4x plus 2x minus 8, make the pair and common out this term. So first term will be x minus 4 and second term will be common out 2. So remaining term is x minus 4. So answer of this term is x minus 4 and x plus 2. You know that this is a 0 of this x. So x is equals to 4. One 0 is x is equals to 4 and another 0 is x is equals to negative. Suppose this 0 will be alpha and this 0 will be beta. So sum of zeros is 4 plus minus 2 is equals to 2 and product of these zeros is 4 into negative 2 is equals to minus 2. Okay, this is equation number 1, this is equation number 2. Now formula of sum of zeros, I already proved that sum of zeros is equals to negative b upon a. See this equation here, a is equals to, here first of all write down the a, b and c. So a is equals to 1, b is equals to negative 2 and c is equals to negative 8. Understand? So put this value abc in sum of zeros formula is equals to minus b upon a. So answer of this term is minus 2 upon 1 because b is equals to negative 1 and minus b is also included. So negative is positive, 2 upon 1 is equals to 2. So this is sum of zeros. This is equation number 3. And product of zeros, we already proved that c upon a, its formula is c upon a. Here c is negative 8 upon 1, so answer is negative 8. C, equation number 1 and 3 and equation number 2 and 4 both are same, hence so proved. Okay students, this is the very best technique to solve this question. Understand? Thank you.